Well, as usual, I screwed up my video when I walked out here. I just came out to see what kind of water leaks we got because she doesn't have, she's got rust in the floors, but she doesn't have eat through in the floors that I can find yet. It was a brown and gold material. I love the headliner. I'm going to hate that it has to come out because it's just as soft as it could be, but it's just as rotten as it could be too. But this may be the first rain she's been in 30 years. So we'll pull out some of the dead stuff and start cleaning it up. Not too bad in here. No telling how long she sat inside. I can't figure out how to get this trunk lid to stay up. But it may be missing something in here, so. But I like her just the way she is. Little old Pedro.